Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to recover deleted photos from your iPhone or iPad and how we can do it. So let me directly get into it. So if you accidentally deleted any kind of photos, this is what you have to do. Go over here in the photos. Now from here you have to tap on collections and scroll down, and you can see we have various these kind of option. From here you have to tap on recently deleted. So it might ask you to give your face ID. If that is not the case, you have to give your passcode. So let me give my passcode here. So once I sign in, these are some of the images that very recently I deleted. So all the photos that or any kind of things that including the photos that you deleted will be here for around 29 days. After 29 days, what happens is it will be moved to it will be erased from the phone, but till the 29 days it will be available over here in the recently deleted. So if you want to get any kind of photos back, what you need to do is just go over here, tap on the respective photo. Now from here we have two options, one is delete and recover. So what you need to do is go for recover. Just tap on recover. Now go for the recover photo. So what happens is that particular image that you recovered will be right now in your gallery. And also you can select the dozen of images altogether. To do so, if you want to take multiple images, you have to go over here, tap on the select, and you have to tap on the images that you wanted to add like this. Now over here at the top you can see there is a three dot. Now tap on the three dot and go for recover. Go to recover 4 photos. So all the photos from my iPhone which I deleted is right now visible over here in the gallery. You can just go back to the gallery and will be able to view all the photos from here. And this is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.